With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So the question is, in one-dimensional elastic collision of equal masses, the velocities are interchanged. Can velocities in one-dimensional collision be interchanged if masses are not equal? Okay, so for one-dimensional elastic collision of equal masses, we know the velocities are interchanged. Suppose mv1 plus mv2 is the initial momentum, then we know final momentum will be mv2 plus mv1. In short, the velocities will be interchanged. Okay, but what will happen if the masses are not equal? When the masses are not equal, what we will write is, we can write it as m1. Suppose let's say mass of one object is 2m and another is m, and 2m is traveling with velocity v and m is traveling with velocity 2v. Okay, so now what will be the conservation of linear momentum? 2mv plus m2v. Okay, now if both these exchange their velocities, okay, now if they exchange their velocities, what will happen? 2m will have velocity of 2v and m will have a velocity of v. So this will become 4mv plus mv. Okay. Over here, you see it is only 4mv and it is 5mv, which are not equal, and therefore we can say linear momentum is not conserved. Now, because linear momentum is not conserved, as we can see over here, therefore it is not possible for unequal masses to interchange velocities during one-dimensional collision. Okay, thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.